Hey guys, it's Steve from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. It's been a very long time since we've been on. I think it's been about 3 weeks since I posted my last video. I just apologize, but I haven't been in a very creative mood lately. I don't know what the funk is about. I'm thinking it might have something to do with the weather change or it changing from summer to fall to winter, or I'm just, sometimes you end up in a funk, like a non-creative funk. I think that's where I am right now. I have talked to a few people about it, and they said just get in, look at your stuff, start playing with your stuff, make backgrounds, which is what our crafty friend Wanda does. Just sit there and keep making backgrounds and whatever. So I actually have not been in this craft room in 3 weeks. It's been a while. So it's a mess. Maybe I'll do a video on cleanup. I don't know. They're kind of boring now. I did go to Dollar Tree a little bit here and there and picked up a few things. So I thought today, to get back into it, maybe I'll do a quick video on things I found at Dollar Tree that I think have already been there, but just new to me. I want to get back into scrapbooking. My mother passed away quite a few years ago. And I wanted to do a scrapbook, an actual book on just her. So I wanted to pick up a few things that reminded me of her, maybe think of her. So here's a few things, and then yeah, we'll just see. So first things first is I've seen these before. I have these in brown, different shades of brown, little crafty flowers, and I know a lot of people hate this noise. I'm one of them. I just wanted to show you really quickly. They have no adhesive on the back. I wanted to make sure I wasn't lying. There is no adhesive on the back of any of these. They are made of like a papery paper, but there is no adhesive on the back of them. So you'll have to put on your own. So you could do foam dots, foam squares, or just lay them flat, however you want to do it. There is 24 pieces in here, and they're dimensional, so that'll be cute. That's like a mom kind of thing. Let me see, staying in tune with my mom. I thought this would, let me move this stuff out of the way. Again, this is all from Dollar Tree. These are puffy stickers. It says so right here. See, stuff puffy. It's 8-piece. They're kind of metallic-like, like metal-like, and they are puffy. Hope you guys are doing well. Like I said, it's been a while. I apologize. They are puffy. I don't know if you guys can see how puffy they are. And then it says love, wish, forever, cherish. Little puffy uffies. I don't know that they'll necessarily, they might go on a page for my mom. We'll see. We'll see where they go. I found this vellum paper, which I haven't seen before at Dollar Tree. There is 6 sheets. $1.25. I don't work much with vellum. I thought they were pretty. You can see through them. They're kind of a thick vellum. I don't know what I'll do with them. I just thought they were pretty. I don't know. I think we'll find something. We'll figure it out. And then I also found these black and gold hearts, which I think would go good with like a wedding kind of situation too. Is that upside down? That's definitely upside down. Oh my God, is that upside down? Is this thing on? Anyway, you get 6 sheets, and they're 6 by 6. Correct me if I'm wrong. They are 6 by 6, yeah. Square sheets. Okay. Next, I found these stickers. Not so much reminding me of my mom. I just thought they were cool as hell. And in retrospect, I wish I got more. There's 19 of them. They're kind of puffy. They're called tile border gems. And this is open that way, so yay us. If you're not already subscribed, please, I suggest you do so. It's fun. I am going to do my best to try to get more creative into it again. I'm sorry, guys, but like I said, I'm taking some people's suggestions on just getting back in here and looking at my stuff and playing with my stuff and just being around my stuff. Which, did I do a tour? I did a mini tour. I can do a tour one of these days. It's a mess, but what craft room isn't unless you're like perfect and you're trying to, I don't know what you're trying to do. I'm a crafty creator, so I make a mess. What? I don't know. Anyway, in looking at these things, they're puffy hard. However, there's a slit that goes from here to here. It looks like when they opened the package, this stuff got slit down it. Can you guys see it? You can see it on here. There's slits. This one slit straight down here. It goes to here. Whatever. We'll figure it out, though. They're cool, though. I wish I got more. I have no clue what I'm going to do with them, but they're cool. Definitely going to go get more of them. And then, because I want to do more scrapbooking, I picked up a few scrapbook things. These were actually on clearance at Joannes? I want to say Joannes. Sarah and I went to, Recollections. It was Michael's. They were on clearance. They were $3.99, and I got them for $1. They had like a whole bunch, like 9, 10 bins full of these, and you flip through them all. This does say Tahiti. I've never been to Tahiti, but I do like the tropical summer vibe. If you know me, you know I do. So I could use some of these. I could probably take the Tahiti things apart. Who knows? Again, staycation. It was $3.99. I got it for $1. I could have spent hours in there going through the bins, but the original reason we went to the Michaels was because Sarah was going to have a Halloween party. We went to get decorations, and so I was like, "Oh, let me check out over here." But I didn't want to spend too much time in there because it was her day, not mine. Camping, I like camping. Relaxing. Planting. Still watching. Play next episode. So this is like a fun staycation-y kind of. They're 3-dimensional. It's cute. I just thought it was cute. Next one, it says Destin, Florida. Never been, but I don't have to necessarily use that. Scenic Route 30A. That must be in Florida, I guess. I don't know. But again, summer vibes. You guys see it? That was $1. They had a whole bunch of them at Michael's. I guess the end of the season. And then this one here was $4.99. I got it on sale for $2. There's 25 pieces. A few episodes back, my friend Sam got married, and I'm still working on her little book thing. But I was running out of. They got married in my yard, and I was doing a scrapbooky thing for a. God, what do you call that thing? Whatever it is, it's back there. And I was running out of wedding stuff. So this is Mother of the Bride. They're kind of puffy. There's 25 pieces. Father of the Bride, First Dance. Has some of the stuff I didn't use or wouldn't use for hers, but it's just I realized when I was doing hers that I didn't have a lot of wedding stuff. So that I found. And last but not least, from the Dollar Tree, I like to make, or used to like to, I started out crafting by making jewelry. And not so many beads, but we do have a lot of beads. But I started doing the chainmail stuff too. And I really enjoy doing it. And then I got into the fingernails, which I don't have any on now. But then that made it almost impossible to do the chainmail, so I stopped. And I didn't sell a lot, but I have a lot. Anyway, this bead tray is only $1.25 at Dollar Tree. I haven't used it yet. I wanted to get back into the jewelry making. It's just a plastic little tray. I have no clue what these numbers mean. Is there even a number 1? It goes 10, 10, 9, 8. I guess it has something to do with measurements. Oh, here's a 1, 0. 1, 2. I don't know. I guess there's something to do with beading, so that you know how to bead. I don't know any of that part. All I know is I like the little compartments to use to put my stuff in. So I have yet to use it, but I got that. And that is it. That is my haul for today. Dollar Tree / Michael's. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm hoping to do a scrapbook for my mother. Like I said, she has passed. It's going to be a bit difficult for me. I was just telling my husband, it's going to be a little rough on me to do it because I have to go through pictures and memories of her, which might be good for me. It might be bad for me. It'll be good for me, I'm sure. So what I think I'll do next is I think I'm going to go through my phones, get some pictures, print them out, and see if I have a book's worth. I have a few small photo albums that I could set up as scrapbooks and put them together. So I might be working on that. I might do like a page here and there and then flip over to something else. Or I might go back to doing this where I just pick and whatever and make cards. I'm going to try to incorporate all of it actually. But I think the next video is going to be... I'd like to say it's going to be me cleaning up this mess. But it's a mess. It's embarrassing. So I don't know that that's going to happen. Who knows? We'll see. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video. And I'm sorry for my absence. I have not done any Temu purchases since my last video because I'm still mad at them. And I seriously don't have the money. Like, it's crazy. And I have so much crap. That's why I did this. Because I have so much crap. I need to use it up before I buy more stuff. I was just telling my husband. I said, I need to start getting rid of some stuff. Otherwise, him and Sarah are going to have a big mess if and when I pass away eventually. Whichever one of us goes first. It's a mess. There's too much. So anyway, that's it. Now I'm done rambling. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.